Getting your college career off to a strong start is a goal of new student and family programs. Whether you're an incoming freshman or a transfer student, their office is here to help you make a seamless transition. For freshmen and their families, college life kicks off with a convocation ceremony prior to the first day of classes. This special event is your introduction to our traditions and to our community. You'll have the opportunity to meet your new classmates, staff, and other students. And wrapping up the day is a celebration with the entire Baruch community here in the vertical campus. The support and camaraderie continues with First Year Seminar, which introduces you to our academic and co-curricular life. Students who transfer into Baruch participate in a similar transfer seminar led by Baruch staff and peer mentors. You can also attend Transfer Tuesday workshops where you can learn how to get involved on campus and develop professionally. So no matter how or when you join Baruch, New Student and Family Programs is here to help you find your place, meet others, and start your college journey with confidence.